Now the next derivation part for the discharge is for the triangular. It is also called as a V. That will be the notch or the weir. Okay, so we are going for the deriving the equation for the discharge passing through the triangular weir or the over the triangular notch. For that purpose, we have considered this as an our V shape or a triangular notch whose apex angle B is a theta, and I have considered this line, that is a DB, we can say, as a vertical line, which is the angle bisector. So this apex angle is getting divided into the two equal parts as a theta by 2. So angle ABD and angle DBC will be the same, and their magnitude will be the theta by 2. Then the whatever the head is there of a water after installing this weir in a channel or a river, then head of the water, that is a capital H, I have considered here for the derivation purpose. This is the water surface, and for the derivation again I have considered the small elemental strip which is situated at a head of a, or depth of the small h from the top surface, and whose height is a small dh. Okay, so by considering for this whole mechanism or up to this small elemental strip, so from this triangle we will go for some of the things related to the theta and the h, because they are required in a further derivation. तर ह्याचा शेप कसा असणार आहे? So it will be like this. This will be our channel. Okay, and this will be in a continuation, and this will be the installation, we can say. So likewise it will be get installed in a channel. बरोबर या पद्धतीने या चॅनल मध्ये आपल्याला इन्स्टॉल केलेली असणार आहे, आणि हा पोर्शन जो असणार आहे आपला, तो पोर्शन पूर्णपणे ब्लॉक होणार. वाटर विल बी अलाउड टू फ्लो ओनली ओव्हर दोज टू स्लांटिंग एजेस, that is a CB and a AB, we can. Okay, so considering either the triangle of ABD or the DCB, we'll go with the this one left hand side, it is the ABD. So from the triangle ABD, I'm trying to develop some of the relationships here, and I'm assuming that water surface is a horizontal. Okay, this angle is our theta by 2. This is a 90 degree. This is the A, this is the B, and this is the D. Okay, again I would like to say that here AC will be equals to 2 times AD. So I would have to write here that AC is equals to 2 times AD, or 2 times a CD, we can say. So if you go for the tan of the theta by 2 here in this triangle, tan theta by 2, then tan is the opposite by adjacent. So opposite side is a AD upon adjacent side is a BD, we can write. Okay, so that is AD is equals to A to the D, that is a half of the top bit. AD is equals to BD tan. AD is equals to BD tan theta by 2. Now if you consider the BD, then BD is a capital H minus small h. It is a total head minus this small h. Is it correct? BD will be equals to capital H, this total height, minus this small h. So I would like to write here AD is equals to capital H minus small h into tan of theta by 2. This is the AD. Is it correct?
Yes, sir.
Then AC we have to go for. So AC is equals to what? AC is equals to 2 times AD. That is a 2 times H minus H into tan theta by 2 will be there. Okay, I would like to consider this as equation number 1 freshly. Then we have to calculate the discharge passing through this phi notch. Means we have to consider firstly the discharge passing through this elemental strip. So firstly I am considering the discharge passing through this elemental strip as a DQ. Discharge passing through this elemental strip as a DQ is equals to dA into the V. dA will be the area of this strip and V will be the average velocity. So dA will be once again, dA will be, what will be the dA area? अरे एरिया का असेल, हाइट इंटू विड्थ असेल का?
Yes, sir.
सॉरी
19.
लेंथ इंटू हाईट असणार, बरोबर आहे का?
Height.
लेंथ काय आहे AC आहे आणि हाईट काय आहे DH आहे. ओके, सो आय वुड लाईक टू राईट हिअर एरिया DA. आपला हा जर का आपल्याला थेरॉटिकल डिस्चार्ज घ्यायचा असेल तर आपल्याला CD इन्व्हॉल्व करावं लागेल. सो फॉर थेरॉटिकल डिस्चार्ज DQ विल बी इक्वल्स टू CD into
तर
the
पण मगाशी आपण म्हणलं की L is equal to 0 आहे म्हणून बिकॉज ट्रायंग्युलर नॉच आहे म्हणून.
काहीच नाही तर L नाही आहे. I am considering this top side area of this small elemental strip. या स्ट्रीपचा मी एरिया म्हणतोय. So for area of this elemental strip, it is looking like an rectangle. बरोबर आहे की नाही? बघा इथं बघा जरा. ही elemental strip I am considering. For this small elemental strip, its height is a DH and its length as a A to the C. AC will be the length. So AC into DH will give us a area of this elemental strip. So theoretical discharge will become DQ is equals to CD into area as a CA. Okay, area as a CA into the DH. Just a minute, I will have to go for once again. CD into the area as a CA into DH into the average velocity will be V is equals to under root twice GH once again. Okay, so that becomes DQ is equals to CD into CA we are knowing. Okay, so that CA I would like to put up here. So CA as a 2 times H minus H into tan theta by 2 into DH into root of 2GH. Okay, what I did, I just introduced the value of the CA. कुठून आणली मी ती? इथं तो आपल्याकडे होतं CA म्हणजे AC होता, तो आपण या ट्रायंगल वरून जॉमेट्री प्रमाणे घेतलं होतं. Okay, now this is the discharge passing through this small elemental strip. What we want to have? We want to have the discharge passing through this total triangular notch or a weir. आपल्याला ह्या पूर्ण नॉच मध्ये जाणारं पाणी पाहिजे आहे, डिस्चार्ज पाहिजे आहे. So for that, what will be required? Will be required to integrate this equation for the limits of Q and H. So limits I would like to write here now. Limits for integration. कोणाचं इंटिग्रेशन करायचं आहे? We have to integrate this one. Limits for integration. So DQ will have the limit from the 0 to the capital Q, and this H will have the limit, that is a small h will have the limit as from 0 to the capital H. Okay, now with respect to this, we are going to integrate this equation. So just integrate it. So we'll have integral dq limit will be from 0 to the capital Q. इतर discharge 0 असेल किंवा पूर्ण discharge असेल, is equals to integral from 0 to the capital H for a CD in bracket just into 2, and I will take it to the bracket, or we will take it as the outside. सर्व constant term आपण एका साइडला घेऊयात. So I will take in the bracket as a 2 times in the bracket as a 2 times a CD into H minus H. There is the differentiation. There will be the integration of H with respect to the DH. This is CD. What do we have written? H minus H. That will be get integrated. CD into H minus H into root 2GH into DH tan theta by 2. Just I want to make the terms separate. मला DH, H ह्या terms एकत्र पाहिजे आहेत, and other things are constant, so I would have to take them as outside. So this will become as a Q, upper limit minus lower limit. So 2 times CD under root twice G tan theta by 2, that will be the constant. Remaining will be the limit from 0 to the capital H, and the things are capital H minus H into root H dH. Okay, मी काय केलं 2G tan theta by 2 2CD I have taken as outside as a constant. So what else remain? H minus H into root H into dH will be there. Okay, so now go for the integration of H with respect to dH. इंटिग्रेशन होणार आहे कोणाचं बघा, स्मॉल h चं इंटिग्रेशन होणार आहे, या h चं इंटिग्रेशन होणार नाहीये. बरोबर आहे का? बघा मी काय म्हणतो ते, या कॅपिटल h चं इंटिग्रेशन होणार नाहीये, होणार आहे कोणाचं, स्मॉल h चं. So that is Q is equals to 2 times a CD under root twice G tan theta by 2 into integration from 0 to the H. हा root H आहे म्हणजे H raised to 1 by 2 असणार. Okay, so I'd like to multiply by this H raised to 1 by 2 to both of them, H and H minus H. So it will become as a H into H raised to half minus H raised to what is the power now?
3 by 2.
3 by 2
3 by 2.
into dH. That is Q is equals to 2 times CD under root twice G tan theta by 2 in bracket now integration of, याचं होणार नाही, याचं होईल, याचं इंटिग्रेशन काय होईल रे, व्हॉट इज इंटिग्रेशन फॉर दिस टर्म, पहिली टर्म घेतो मी H, तुम्ही सेपरेट दिलं तरी चालेल,
3 by 2.
3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2.
H into small h raised to 3 by 2 upon a 3 by 2, limit will be from limit
0 to capital H.
0 to the capital H. I would like to make inside the bracket. Okay, minus याचं येईल आता h raised to 3 by 2. What is the integration for h raised to 3 by 2 now?
H raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2.
H raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2, limit will be 0 to the h, whole bracket gets completes. Therefore Q is equals to 2 times CD under root twice G tan theta by 2 into, तर इथं लिमिट पुट अप करा, या h च्या ठिकाणी आपण अप्पर लिमिट ठेवलं तर काय होईल, कॅपिटल h होईल. बरोबर आहे का? म्हणजेच कॅपिटल h चं पॉवर किती होईल,
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
By 2.
H raised to 5 by 2 upon a 3 by 2 minus, similarly इथं पॉवर किती होईल रे, आहे तोच आहे तो, h raised to 5 by 2 upon a 5 by 2. Now I will take out this 5 by 2 as a common, so it becomes Q is equals to 2 times CD under root twice G tan theta by 2 into h raised to 5 by 2 कॉमन घेऊयात आपण पहिल्या टर्म मध्ये, h raised to 5 by 2 इन ब्रॅकेट 3 by 2 आहे म्हणजे हे 2 by 3 होईल, मायनस 5 by 2 आहे म्हणजे काय होईल, हे 2 by 5 होईल. इज इट करेक्ट नाउ? Is this is correct up to this step?
Yes, sir.
So therefore Q is equals to, आणखी 2 कॉमन निघेल याच्यातनं, so 2 into 2 as a 4 times CD under root twice G tan theta by 2 in bracket, sorry h raised to 5 by 2 असेल, साइडला लिहितो मी इकडच्या साइडला, तर 1 by 3 आणि 1 by 5 आहे, बरोबर आहे का, 1 by 3 आहे आणि 1 by 5 आहे, म्हणजे काय होईल इथं, this will become as a 5 by 15 minus 3 into 2 as a 6 by 15. I have written directly, I made I have taken the LCM and
सर 2 बाहेर काढले ना वरचं कॉमन.
अरे हा 2 बाहेर काढला. ओके हा सॉरी म्हणजे हा इथं 5 आणि हा इथं 3 बरोबर ना.
हो सर.
This will become as a 3. Just a minute. I would like to write that once again. So by mistake I have written there as a 5. This will become as a 3. Now what is the ultimate equation? Therefore Q is equals to 5 by 15 minus 3 by 15. How much it is?
2 by 15.
2 by 15.
Okay, so 4 into 2 by 15 into CD root 2g tan theta by 2 into h raised to 5 by 2. So ultimate equation will be Q is equals to 8 by 15 CD under root twice g tan of theta by 2 into h raised to 5 by 2. This is the equation number 2, and this will be the equation for finding the discharge passing through the triangular notch or a weir. Okay. If the apex angle theta is considered as a 90 degree, if theta is considered as a 90 degrees and CD, that is a coefficient of discharge, is considered as a 0.6, CD is equals to 0.6, then our discharge equation for the Q, it becomes Q is equals to 8 by 15 into CD as a 0.6 into root of 2 into G as a 9.81 into tan of 90 by 2, okay, into h raised to 5 by 2. Now tan 90 by 2, tan 40 by is 1. So what is the net value you are getting for the Q? This 8 by 15 into 0.6 into root 2 9.81. How much it is now?
1.418.
1.418 into h raised to 5 by 2. This is the simplified equation for the discharge passing through the triangular weir or a triangular notch. Okay, so in this case the